Hello, class 2. Hope you are all well. I'm also fine. Today we shall do question answers from our Active English book 2. Please take your Active English book 2, open page number 24. I shall provide you with the questions in doc file also and in the stream and in the assignments as well. So you don't have to, some of you facing problem with downloading the video. So you can have the questions answers in another format. That would be easy for you. And please keep in mind from next week we shall finish 3 lessons in a day so that our syllabus gets finished. I didn't want to burden you earlier, but by June we have to finish our first term syllabus. That's why I shall be giving you 3 lessons every day. Every day. That's why I told you not to pile up your homework. It will be a huge burden for you afterwards. And after finishing first term syllabus, we shall have 2 or 3 model tests. So get ready, children. Take your Active English book 2, open page number 24 and listen to me. I shall provide you with these questions after I finish the lesson. Number 1. First the tips. The tips are in the below. Use of any when there is no things, persons. In the negative sentence, you shall use any. Use of many. When there are few things, we shall use many in the negative sentence. Use of a lot of. When there are many things, we shall use a lot of. In a earlier class, the exercise number C, number 2 question, fill in the blank. Number 2, there are dash children in our classroom. I kept it like there are many children in our classroom. You can also write there are a lot of children. Many is also not wrong, but nowadays in informal language, instead of many, a lot of is the word a lot of is used, but there are many children in our classroom. You can also write that one. I didn't want to burden you with many letters. That's why I kept it only between any and many. You're filling the blanks exercise. So now we shall get back to our question answers. In questions answers, you cannot do that. You have to write a lot of instead of many. Number 1, have you any brothers? Have you any sisters? I have answered it like this. I haven't any brothers. I haven't many sisters. That means I have no brother and I have 1 or 2 sisters. If you have brothers, reverse the question answer. If you have brother, write it, I haven't many brothers. If you have no sisters, write it, I haven't any sisters. You have to just remember the use of any, many and a lot of. Number 2, answer. First question. Have you any books on your desk? Answer. I have a lot of books on my desk. This means I have many books on my desk. But you shall write it like I have a lot of books on my desk. Number 3. Have you any cats on your desk? There are no cats on my desk. I think there are no cats in your desk as well. So, I haven't any cats on my desk. Number 4. Answer. First question. Has your teacher any books on her desk? My teachers, not teachers, my teacher. Correct it. Okay. My teacher, not it. My teacher has, third person singular number, has a lot of book on her desk. That means my teacher has many books, but instead of many we shall use a lot of books on her desk. Number 5. Has your teacher any dogs on her desk? My teacher hasn't any dogs on her desk. Number 6. Have you any windows in your classroom? We haven't many windows in our classroom. That means maybe there are 2 windows or 4 windows. So you cannot write a lot of. You have to write we haven't many windows in our classroom in a negative sentence. Number 6. Have you any horses in your classroom? We haven't any horses in our classroom. That means we have no horses in our classroom. There is none, no horses. So in writing you have to write we haven't any horses in our classroom. So children, do your HWS. Stay safe and bye. I am sending each question answers in your assignment. So you don't have to, if you find difficulty downloading the video, you can always see the assignment in the doc file. Okay, till then, bye.